So you want to create and sell your own planner, but you want to make sure it's something that people are going to actually want and that they'll purchase. So today we are going to go through that. Now for trends, I had another video where I let AI tell me the trends, but I have a better method for you today. And remember, if you would like to create and sell your own planner, you can do so using my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. And also, do you like the red? I changed it from red. I thought about yellow just for like some variety. That didn't really look right. Green kind of looked like Christmas. This blue looks a little patriotic with the red, white, and blue. I usually don't wear red, but I really just wanted to wear this shirt today. So that's my normal purple. But we're going to switch to red so that my shirt matches the light. All right, let's get into it. So on my channel, I have been doing YouTube videos about planners for quite a while. And one of those areas is planner unboxing. So every single Saturday, I did an unboxing for like 7 or 8 years. And now we have 287 videos in there. So let's go ahead and look at the analytics. So if we look at the lifetime of what people liked, the number one was how to sell a high-end luxury planner. Now this was the Carey & Company planner. And I think it's because people typically think of Prada, Yves Saint Laurent or Coach or any of those brands as being luxury, but the agendas that they make are pretty awful. They're just very bare bones, minimalistic, just literally a date and some lines and then another date and some lines. So that's all you get. And so for people who are really into planning, when they want to spend a lot on a planner, they probably want to make sure it has gold foiling, it has gold edges on the paper, it is a spiral like an O coil, not like the cheaper rounding coils that you get. So all of these things are what make a luxury high-end planner. So I think if that is something you would like to do, that is something you should put on your list. The second thing is the unboxing of Cloth and Paper. So Cloth and Paper is another luxury high-end brand as well. This one's a little different because it allows you to DIY things into, I don't even know. I don't even have a folio around. This is the closest thing I have to a folio, and this is an Erin Condren 3-ring binder, which they don't even make anymore. These were amazing. Anyways, these allow you to insert and pull pages out and kind of design the interior however you would want based on all of the inserts that she has for purchase. So that could be something great for you because you wouldn't necessarily have to put a planner together. You could just print out pages and punch them, right? She has ones for the A5, the A6, the B5, for Filofax, for people who like the disc system. And so all of those could be options where you just sort of do a print on demand at your house. I don't know if it's at her house. And that's what I would imagine. These are pretty easy to start. So that is a second trend that you could do. A third one is, so the OtterBox is not a planner. This was actually just a case for the iPad, but that indicates to me that possibly digital planners are on the rise. I actually have never done a digital planner review only because I'm not into digital planning. So it's hard to say, I wouldn't say that they're not popular. My most popular video on this channel is how to open a planner using an Android. So I think there are a lot of Android users and people are always talking about iPads, but you can also do it on any sort of planning on the Android tablets as well. So that is definitely an indication if digital planners are something you're interested in, that could be the way to go. So that's number 3. Number 4, tarot cards and oracle cards. I've been saying this forever. I really think card decks, like if you love planners, you love card decks. Like it's just like they go together. If you love planners, you love stickers. If you love stickers, you love planners. So all 3 of these are just something that are together in, say, a store like Michael's or Joann Fabrics, and you're happy that they're all together because they were things that you were going to look at anyway. So I think creating card decks is definitely something that could either be your main line instead of even creating planners, or you could have it as a complement to whatever planner system you have. So the other one is Typo. So Typo is a store based out of Australia. I think it's Australia, New Zealand, I don't know, somewhere over there. And these are really for people who want affordable planners. We're talking $3 or $5 each. And sure, maybe they're not like the fanciest setup and they definitely don't have any gold foiling, but the people who like to shop at Typo will buy 6 or 7 at a time. So these are bargain basement hunters just looking for a good deal. So if you're able to create these in bulk and you have the ability to sell them $3 or $5 ones, this could be a really great way for you to go, especially if you're selling these in person, say at a fair, or if you already have a store, like a brick and mortar. So erasable, number 6, erasable notebooks. So this tells me that people make mistakes. That's all I can think. Like every time I put something in a planner, I put a lot of time and effort into picking the right color-coded pens, and then my plans change, or one, I just make a typo, like a writing, is it called a typo when you're actually writing something by hand, but you make a mistake, you put it in the wrong month or on the wrong day, and then you have to cross it out. But wouldn't it be much better if you could just erase it? So I think that's why this video was so popular. So if you are able to make a planner using erasable paper, I guess Erasable Paper are offering erasable colored pens. I think that would be something you could do. That is obviously beyond the scope of my abilities, but that obviously was a very popular video. The next one is anxiety journals. So number 7, I really think 2 things. 1, I think it's really great to niche down. So even if we looked at the total views like from the playlist, you'll see number 2 is the unboxing of the sugar paper baby book. So that's another great way just to niche down. I mean, babies never go out of style or trend out, right? They're great for baby shower gifts, or if you're having a baby or anything else. And also people have multiple babies, so they would need to purchase multiple baby planners. And another thing too, I think COVID helped spike the interest in the anxiety journals as well. So the number 8, the Moshi planner. Now there was nearly nothing great about the Moshi planner. I think because I put made in Korea, it's just, again, it's a trend where K-pop is popular, K-dramas are popular. I don't know anybody who hasn't watched Squid Games. So I think this is more of just following what is popular in pop culture. Do we even say that anymore? Pop culture, because everything is on social media. So whatever's trending right now online seems to be the way that people are going in terms of what they're interested in as well for a type of planner. So anything Korean that you can offer. And it wasn't even in, I don't think it was even in Korea. I don't remember. And I'm Korean, but I only reviewed it because 1, I'm Korean, and 2, because same thing. I was like, all these Korean things are trending and I really don't understand. Like there should be no reason that I can review a Japanese planner, but I can't review my own country, a Korean planner. So I think that could be a way to go as well. The other one, number 9, the Artisaire versus Amazon wax seals. I think just that luxury, again, it's more of a luxury look. So when you do a wedding invitation, I can't think of any other time you would do a wax seal, but if you're doing a wedding invitation and you're doing wax seals, then you probably are somebody who wants it to look very luxurious, very classy, very high end. And I think that just goes back to number 1 on the trend for doing a luxury high-end planner. So there's that. Number 10, Savor the Success. So I think this was popular. Now this planner has been out of business for like years, but the 90 days, it was like a 90-day undated planner. And for whatever reason, the 90-day year was super popular. And I think the thought of just only having 1 quarter to focus on versus the entire year is very appealing to a lot of people, especially because if you miss January, it's gone. What are you going to do? Just do nothing for the next 11 months? So this way, if you have a 90-day planner, you can say my year starts whenever I want it to. And that's the start of the 90 days. And I think that's also appealing about having an undated 90-day planner. So those are all of my trend ideas that I think you could focus on for your next planner or your first planner. And remember, if you would like to create and sell your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.